Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here on the Ethereum chart, the market is still trying, I would say it's trying to recover, it's trying to turn around. It's not turned around yet. We have no evidence for a substantial low. And remember that the warning here on this chart is very clearly that this fourth wave is too deep to be really a reliable fourth wave. Now, what we want to, if the price breaks below the 61.8 retracement, which it's done already, right? There is still one more level that I normally consider for a diagonal that is normally support for a fourth wave. That's the B wave low in a third wave. I mean, we're holding above it right as I record this video, but it's also, I mean, it broke briefly below it. The price broke below that level. It's not an invalidation point. It's one of these levels, you know, if broken, then it just isn't clearly bullish anymore. But still haven't given up on Ethereum's upside potential here for this cycle. So I'm still tracking it. Doesn't mean that I'm bullish because, as I explained to you before, the microstructure that we see on lower time frames really isn't. It's not clearly bullish. It definitely needs to prove itself. It's only moving up in corrective patterns for now. So there is a lot the market really needs to prove to really confirm further that this fifth wave has indeed started. So it's still possible, yeah. But let's understand also the next support levels should there be another low. So we've got 1250 as well as, oops, what's happened here? 1080, $1,080 is the swing low, the wave 2 low, November 22. That's the formal invalidation point for the white scenario. We talked about bearish scenarios before. I mean, in that scenario, if we even get invalidation, I have to assume that the bear market never finished. I mean, it's already a potential on the chart, and we're tracking, lower prices still here. But obviously, the market has arrived at a key spot. I mean, this is now or never for Ethereum. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Ethereum. I just want to show you the larger time frame first, because then you understand why I am tracking here an A wave to the upside, and then a B wave down, and a C wave up, because we're dealing with a larger diagonal on the larger time frame. Context is king, yeah? Context always comes first. So with context, only then I can really put the microstructures onto a chart. I mean, how else, can I do it without understanding the pattern and which patterns are actually allowed based on the rules and guidelines? It's not possible. So that's why we need the context first, and then we take a look at the smaller time frame, and we're tracking a 5-wave move up. Don't think this is high probability. The first rally that started on the 9th of April was in 3 waves. 3 up, 3 down. 3 up, 3 down, 3 up in 5. Yeah. So I only see 2.5 waves. I don't know. It's not convincing yet. If this is really a diagonal pattern to the upside that's unfolding, then wave A should reach at least, well, the third wave, let's say rather the third wave should get to 1925 at least, and the fifth wave to 2084. But in the very beginning here, in the first place, the price must break above these previous swing highs, the signal lines here at 1660 and 1687. These are the two next structural resistance levels that need to be broken. And yeah, I mean, this here would be some kind of a 5-wave move in this C wave, but let's be honest, this is not overwhelming yet. Okay, it's not very convincing what happened here. From the Wednesday low so far, it's not clearly bullish yet. It's 3 waves up only. But maybe this is going to form a small wave 1 off C or something, so there is still a lot of potential there. One more low cannot be ruled out in the yellow count, but as long as we're holding above the Wednesday low, 1540, the focus could be on higher in the short term. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.